What's up, guys? So I just got home from a ride and it's pretty damn hot. Pretty damn hot. And what I want to show you today is how to clean and maintain your helmet inside and out. So let's get started.
First, you will need Oxford Helmet Cleaner, which you can buy in MotoWorld for about 450 pesos per bottle. Next, sorry about that, you'll need a helmet sanitizer. And the helmet sanitizer is also from Oxford. This is for the inner liner. It's about 350 pesos per bottle. And last but not the least, microfiber towels. The brand that I have here is Flitz, but you can actually pick up your microfiber towels at your local hardware store. Any brand will do. Generic ones, branded ones, it doesn't really matter. Make sure you remove your Bluetooth communications device, GoPro cameras, microphone, and any other add-ons that you don't want to risk getting wet. Remove the visor so that you can reach into the parts of the helmet being covered by it. Helmet visors, by the way, vary. Some are snap-on, some are screwed. Put one towel on the surface you are working on to make sure you don't scratch the helmet or the surface of your table. Next, for the inner liner, spray the helmet sanitizer liberally and apply to all surfaces needing treatment. Work into corners and folds with a clean cloth. Wipe away excess and allow to dry at room temperature. Repeat on a regular basis. To speed up the process of drying, you can actually use an electric fan or your air conditioner at home. Next, we move on to the exterior of the helmet. Spray on and leave for a few seconds to soften the dirt. Remember, do not use on very hot surfaces, so when your helmet is hot, let it cool down first. Regular use will cut down the application time and amount needed. After a few seconds of the product on the helmet, you can wipe off with a microfiber cloth. Next up, for the visor, you can also use the same helmet cleaner you used for the exterior of the helmet. Don't worry, this product will not scratch your visor as long as you use it properly with a microfiber towel. By the way, I forgot to mention, I am not sponsored by Oxford. I am also not sponsored by MotoWorld Philippines. I just want to help you guys out, find where you can buy the products and what products I'm using for this clip. After cleaning the visor, attach it to your helmet, and you're ready to attach all the electronic devices like your Bluetooth communications device, mic, GoPro, and whatever else you have for your helmet. There we have it, folks. A squeaky clean helmet inside and out. Hope that helps. See you soon.